One of the things that we're seeing more and more of within Google Drive is the availability of apps. So in Google Drive, just like in the Chrome Web Store, we have the ability to connect third-party applications to Google Drive. Now, the reason this becomes very important and helpful within an educational setting is that once we connect an app to Google Drive, we have to use one username and one password to access that app along with all your other Google Drive tools. So again, what we're doing is we're eliminating the need for many passwords and usernames in order to make it more efficient for us to work with our kids. So to get to the apps in the Drive environment, I simply click on New, and then I'm going to go down to More. And then notice that under the Forms and Drawings, it has Connect More Apps. And when I click on that, it's going to open a new window. And from here, what I'm able to do is either browse through my apps or I can actually search for an app. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the Template app. Now, the nice thing about the Template app is that it gives me templates that businesses use, educators use, those types of things. So when I click on Connect, it's going to take and it's going to check to see if I have it. And once it adds it in there, I click OK. And now what you will see is under New and More, I have a new app here called From Template. I like this app because what it does, again, is it takes me to the template gallery. The first time I use it, I have to accept the permissions. And now I can go in and I can look at either Beyond the Chalk templates. So within a school environment, we can create our own templates that only people with inside our domain can use. Or I can go to public templates and I can look at all of the templates that different individuals have created within Google Docs. So I have presentations, documents, spreadsheets, and forms, and all of those things. So it's a nice way to get to these templates so I don't have to create them on my own. I'm going to come back into Google Drive. I'm going to come back to New, More, and then I'm going to add another app. So again, Connect More Apps. And then again, I'm just going to search for the WeVideo app, which is right here. I really don't have to search for it. I just mouse over it, click on Connect, and it's going to attach that app as well. I close this out, and now again, back over here to More, and now you're seeing the WeVideo app. The WeVideo app is a video editor that I can use in the cloud. So I can upload video from my Drive or my computer. I can get in and I can throw it into a timeline and do different types of editing within that environment. So the apps are, again, a great way to extend the functionality of Drive. Remember, the important part of them is that it's always going to throw things into your Google Drive environment, so I'll have access to those from anywhere in the cloud. I don't have to have the application on my computer. If I log in at home, those apps will be there. If I log in at a public station in a library somewhere, those apps will be there as well. So it's a very powerful way of finding or extending the capabilities of Google Drive. Just like in the Chrome Web Store, there are lots and lots of apps that you can choose from. So what I would recommend that you do is go in and think about some of the things you'd like to do within Drive that you're not able to do, and look for some apps that might help you become more efficient. I like this app, Pixel Editor. It functions as like Photoshop, so it allows you to bring images in and to create layers and also edit images, crop, and those types of things. So it's a really nice feature. Video Notes is another one. I can take notes from a video. So what I suggest you do is just explore each one of these. If I click on it, notice what it does. Similar to the Chrome Web Store, it opens up a overview. I can look at the ratings. 4,080 people have said this is a 4-star or better. So this is a great little app or a great little feature within Drive. And again, I encourage you to go in and look for some different apps that you might be able to use.